And Josh, he was talking about that gasp when you hit that cold water. That is something that shocks a lot of people.
It does, even for the experienced swimmers. So caution should definitely be used because, you know, a lot of those rivers, even though the air temperature is significantly warmer out, they are still on the cooler side, below that 70-degree mark. Here's just a look at some of our waterways across the region. Into the 50s, the warmest spot, that's going to be the Willamette River at about 64 degrees. So again, wear that life vest if you are heading out to any of our waterways to stay cool this first weekend of summer. And the big cool down is all because of the melting snow found up in elevation. Mount Hood quickly starting to see a lot of bare spots out towards the Mount Hood Meadows area. And this is just going to be an ongoing trend as the summer heat continues to build and has been doing so over the past several days. You'll notice this quick climb back up to the 90s yesterday, and we'll see another round of that summer heat as we work our way into this afternoon with a beautiful live look out over downtown Portland, all thanks to the Vancouver Hotel Indigo Kirkland Tower camera. As our temperatures right now sitting at 80 degrees out of PDX, sunset tonight 9:03, and winds are on the calmer side of things as our fan forecast does put us back into the low 90s later this afternoon. So crank up the AC and make sure that you are taking frequent breaks indoors. If you are spending a prolonged amount of time outside, wear the light colored loose fitting clothing and make sure that you are staying hydrated, as those temperatures are expected to slowly start to come down by the time we get to Sunday, back to the average of 75 degrees with another little warming trend come Tuesday. So this roller coaster ride that we've been on for much of the month of June just continues on for much of next week. And that's all broken down because of a high pressure system that's on the move out towards the desert Southwest and the Central Plains, where they get to share some of our summer heat as we prepare for this upper level low pressure system to usher in our next round of mild temperatures, putting us back to where the mercury should be sitting in those mid 70s as early as Sunday. And that does have a potential to bring maybe a few isolated raindrops back to the region as our skies are dry, sunny for the rest of the day today. We'll see just a few high, thin, increasing clouds for the start of the day tomorrow. Another round of that sunshine as temperatures fall back into the upper 80s. So still toasty out there, but we'll shave off a degree or two as we work our way into the afternoon and maybe wrap up the evening with a stray raindrop or two along those increasing clouds along the coast as this next front moves its way on shore. You'll notice that our simulated forecast radar shows the potential for a little bit of moisture up and down the I-5 corridor come Sunday morning. I think a lot of this is actually going to struggle to make it to the ground, but maybe one or two of us will be lucky enough to pick up on some accumulative rain, which in turn would help to reduce the pollen count ever so slightly on Sunday. Of course, that's if we see accumulative rain showers, but overall keeping our pollen count on the high end of things all the way into next week. Now for today, 91 degrees, that's our expected high as the sunshine continues. So make sure you are lathering up with the sunscreen if you are spending time outside this afternoon. 59 degrees, that's where we expect to fall to tonight and into tomorrow morning with those clear skies. That's just going to help us to ramp right back up into the upper 80s. But keep a close eye to the night sky. A full moon, June's full moon, known as the strawberry moon. You can look to the southeast sky at about 9:35. That's where you will start to see it rise above the horizon. Still hot tomorrow, 88 degrees our expected high. That sunshine takes us well into the start of next week as our temperatures continue to go up and down, with the peak rounding out about 84 degrees on Tuesday. And it's maybe 1 week from today, or from tomorrow, yesterday I should say, Thursday.
Okay.
Maybe a raindrop or two.
Okay.
Maybe, but it's still a week or so out.
That would feel nice though.
It would.
I mean, the sun is great, but yeah.
A little bit of everything for everybody
mix
is good.
Yes. Okay. We'll be right back.